In a town full of fancy cars and crowded bars and supermodels, looks exactly the way it did inside my head when I dreamed about.
I got my certificate. Looks pretty cool. We're still in Borneo, but we're going to Kuching today. Flight is in 20 minutes, or the plane just landed, so we're gonna fly over to Kuching from here, Kota and it's gonna be an hour flight. Ma'am? We just landed. Well, we got to Kuching yesterday, but we decided to spoil ourselves and stay at a resort here. Living room. Tatiana's making coffee. We have the pool and the water. Yeah, we're gonna be here for a night, but we might do 2 nights. We're not sure yet. But right now we're just gonna get ready to go in the water. It's really hot. Really nice here. Right, Tati? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this place is called Damai Puri Resort, and we had booked it for 1 night, but I think we might do it for another night. It's just a good place to relax and do nothing. And it's really beautiful. We have the beach on this side, and then we have the pool on this side as well. For the next couple of days, do nothing.
You should've known better.